This is a typical Toyota remote. This is for my Toyota Sienna 2023, so it is pretty similar to the others. At the back of the remote you can see this knob. You pull it to the side and then pull the key out. Then you gently pull it apart. What I usually do is put my nails in the area of the key and then pull it apart gently. Just like that it will snap open. The battery is right there, and the battery is CR2450. You can pull it, the hook to one side, and then gently push it from the underside and it will come off. I tried to remove it with my hands, but I soon found out that it cannot be done, so make sure you have scissors handy because you will need it. So the cell is CR2450, which is correct, so you just push it in and it will go right in place. Very easy, straightforward. You then push the other side and it will snap shut like that. Put the key back and then push one of the buttons and it will light up. So now that's it. It works. Thank you for joining in.